Reggae Nation is with Tarrus Riley after his scintillating performance on the first night of international nights, of the two international nights. Tarrus, after 2-year hiatus from Reggae Sumfest, how did you think about your performance?
It was nice. I had fun. I really enjoyed myself a lot. I did.
Okay, great. Reggae Sumfest celebrating 21 years. Talk to us about the significance of Sumfest to the industry and its longevity in the future.
Well, I don't know about the future it'll bring because I can't predict the future, but what I know is that Reggae Sumfest is very, very important to the artists here in Jamaica, because all of us know Sumfest and want to be a part of Sumfest from a little youth. Sumfest was a place where I saw garnet silk as a little youth. And you know what I mean, I'm still a little youth and Sumfest is around and now I'm on stage them hours, you know what I mean? And so I remember the first Sumfest, and it's 21 years old, yeah man, and he's nowhere close to 40, he's an 80s baby, I remember when it come out, you know what I mean? So it's cool. So to be a part of Sumfest thing, it's nice, because me kind of grow with it, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Tarrus, you've been enjoying immense success for the past year, hits after hits after hits. Tell us about 2014.
Well, all the hits them, I have to give thanks to the people because it's we and them that do it. 2014, we have Holy for Music, we have a new album coming out. We have some new songs, like one of them is Sing Tonight, To The Limit, real nice love song. And you know, we start going to take our time. I want to be like the people who inspire me, like Bersaman and Greg Isaac and them people there. So, I'm in a rush, I just want to chuckle, you know? Yeah.
Always a good vibe talking to Tarrus Riley. Tarrus, can you give a little drop for Reggae Nation?
Give a little and drop. Reggae Nation. And as a Reggae Nation, sing it, Tarrus Riley. Jamaica land we love.
Thank you, Tarrus. Big up yourself. Thanks for talking to Reggae Nation.
And your outfit beat them bad.
You know.
That part that you.
Make sure. Yes. Thank you, Singy Singy.